Hi there, students. A conurbation. Conurbation. Okay, a conurbation is a long, continuous urban area where various different cities have joined together, cities and towns, and there are people living everywhere. So, for example, I think probably one of the biggest conurbations in the world is Tokyo-Nagoya-Osaka, Kyoto. And all of this is covered with people living. There aren't really any country areas between. There's no separation between them. And this makes Japan's largest city. And this is a conurbation. A conurbation is where various towns and cities have merged together. Now, I think a metropolis is just a very big city. And I think you could call London a metropolis. But if you look at Greater London, this is a conurbation, because Greater London includes Reading, it includes Watford, it includes various other towns. It's swallowing up the towns outside it. Or if London, it seems to go down the Thames corridor. So it gets to Reading, it probably gets to Maidenhead and somewhere like that as well. Or Sao Paulo, Rio de Janeiro. This is a enormous conurbation where the two cities have literally joined together. Or maybe on the east coast of the United States, you have Boston and Philadelphia and New York and Baltimore and Washington, D.C. and all of this area from Boston down to Washington. It's all part of the same urban area. And this is the idea of a conurbation. Or maybe New York itself is a conurbation, as in New York and Jersey City and Newark. These are all part of the conurbation. Yeah, Mumbai and Pune as well. This is a conurbation. Okay, so if you look at the origin of this word, herbs, con together and herbs city. So conurbation, city together. And this was actually coined by a geographer, Patrick Geddes, in 1915. He was a Scot. So a conurbation, a continuous built up urban area. This is as a result of urban sprawl. Yeah, it's developed. A conurbation is where various different cities join together. Whereas I think a metropolis is just one big city that sprawls out. When it starts joining with other cities and other towns, that's when it becomes a conurbation. And I think if we carry on in the way we're going, the whole world is just going to be one large conurbation. Yeah, the towns and the cities, they grow and they join together, and there's no difference between the two. Yeah, an extended urban area where several towns have merged, or several cities have merged with another city. So, for example, Birmingham is a conurbation, or maybe it's just a metropolis. But it's joined with Wolverhampton, for example. Or maybe Manchester-Liverpool, St Helens, Warrington, Bolton, Stockport. All of this is one conurbation where the cities of Manchester and Liverpool have joined together. So conurbation, this word's probably a little bit more formal. I think I'd give it a 6.5 5 in formality, something like that. So it's on the more formal idea, on formal side. So conurbation. Bye for now.